We have finally arrived at our Airbnb cabin for the next 2 days. Hello guys. Alright, let's bring you guys to the balcony, shall we? You got a nice little grill. Oh my god, that breeze feels so nice. Got a nice little patio out here overlooking the beautiful trees. Yes. Alright, let's go inside. Welcome home, eh? For our next 2 days. Got a nice little living room. Got a TV over there. A bunch of antlers in this cabin. And then we have a lovely kitchen. It's a bunch of wood smell. Everything in here is made out of wood, yes. As you expect. Here is the lovely bathroom with some more antlers on the mirror. Very nice. This is, I think, the master bedroom. One queen and a single. Very nice. Then we have the upstairs. And then Mr. Deer, hello over here. Upstairs we have, surprisingly, 4 beds. And that is it for the whole entire cabin. Very nice. I think that thing is pretty cool. It's like chandelier made out of antlers. Pretty sick. Alright, let's explore the outside, shall we? Gotta go find the lake they said that's around here. Catch you guys in a bit. About that cabin earlier. So many flies. It was the wrong cabin. That was not our cabin because we got a lakefront cabin and there was no lake. So it was the wrong one. Who would have thought, eh? Big brain. Whew. If you're wondering why I'm out of breath, because we got this hill that we gotta climb up. Whew. So this is the right cabin for sure this time, because right over here on the balcony slash patio we see the lake. That's right. Nice little patio. Oh, no good breeze though. The other one had a good breeze. And there you go. Lakefront. Not really much of a lake. I guess a small pond, but it will do as long as we could catch some big fish, eh? Alright, the inside of this cabin looks, I mean, relatively the same as the other one. Yeah, it's practically the same. Oh, except they got, is that a twin? Wait. Oh, a queen size bed for 2. But the inside is practically the same. Oh, actually, they don't got that cool chandelier made out of antlers, but I think the upstairs might be the same. Let me just see. Oh wow, the upstairs is way nicer. Okay. And there we go. The new cabin. Very nice. Oh look, I forgot to show you guys the bathroom. They're very generous. They gave us some magazines to read while we're taking a shit. Very nice. How considerate of them. Hey. 钓到了！哦，又是那个 bass。哦，这个多重？这个比4磅、3磅，1磅多，才1磅。要不要啊？哎，它跳出来，你把它动起来。 动起来带回去。啊，还在那里啊。Roger, go get the fish. It's floating. You can catch a fish of your own. It's literally floating. Let's go, man. 这那个太讨厌了，真的。哎呀！这好多鱼，这现在好多鱼。
坑里面钓有那种，还有一种鱼。哦，这么快钓到了！哎，又是只叉。哎。这水底下绝对有一只乌龟。哎呀，因为这肯定有乌龟的。有，刚刚我在那边有看到小乌龟。乌龟肯定有的。哇！哎呀！哦，这一只的都拉不起来呀！哦，我以为卡住了。哦呀，好大一只，都拉不动。今天吃一次爽了。这个鱼好像也没有那么多骨头啊。啊，对。哎哎。哎，这只不错。这只可以啊。它的钩子在哪里？哎呀！哎呀！哎呀呀呀呀呀呀呀呀！哎！你别动啦！啊，很大一只啊，还可以吧？差一点让它掉出去了。哎呀，你个臭小子！Good morning. It's the next day, and last night we set up some catfish bait, and we're gonna go check it out right now. Oh. Oh, 好小哦。Caught a catfish and a turtle. Oh, look at that. Sheesh. 好小哦。再把它换了。故意留着给你哥拍个照，然后把它换。那一个都拖到肚子里面去了。呀！哦。哎，你够壮。Goodbye, turtle. 跳出来了。哦，它是大嘴鲶鱼。哦，漂亮这种鲶鱼，它这能养好大只的鲶鱼。走你，给你换了。What in the world are you watching? That show is so cringy. Look at this chunk of meat. Man, it's so dark. I'm sorry, guys. Bro, this spatula is so useless. Do I have another spatula? I'll use this one.
All right, there we go. It's pretty much done now, and then I added in some tomatoes. Now we just add in a whole bottle of pasta sauce. There we go. It will do. It's ready. Look at this. Sheesh. And then we got a whole pot of pasta. It's a little too much. Pasta, finally done. I'm starving. Let's dig in. Ooh. That cheese. We didn't bring enough pasta sauce, so there's not enough pasta sauce. A little bit bland, but still pretty good, nonetheless. Looks like it's about to rain today. Hopefully not though. Oh my god, look at all that cheese still on the fork. After the pasta, later. Oh, it's raining. I was just saying it was about to rain. Oh gosh. But I was gonna say, after we finish the pasta, we were gonna barbecue, but looks like it's raining, so no barbecue for today. Oh yeah, look, it's raining. Great. We do, however, have a grill, but this grill is so disgusting. Hey, can you hold this for me? Oh, free food. Thank you. Look at this grill. Oh, nah. Oh yeah, I was about to say, look at that wasp nest. And then another one in there. There's like 2 in here. Ugh, disgusting. So yeah, we're definitely not gonna be using this grill. Mate, what in the world are you doing with my pasta? Oh, thank you. Catfish, huh?
Yeah.
Look at this dude. Look at him. Goodbye. So, there's no service, and the only way to get service is if you see where that goose is at, by that bench. There's service over there, but you gotta walk all the way up there in this rain. It's been raining the whole entire day, and there's no Wi-Fi here, so damn, can't even fish, man. So the only way we gotta get Wi-Fi is if we stand right there in that spot. There's some service over there. We're all just standing out here trying to get some service, man. This spot, it's pretty nice, but there's no Wi-Fi, man. No internet. Hey. Man, we got a whole campfire right here, as you can see. We were gonna have a campfire tonight, and yeah, sadly, as you can see, it was raining the whole day today. And yeah, oh, tonight's the last night. We were gonna do the campfire last night as well, but we just got lazy, so oh well, until next time, I guess. It is a beautiful place, ain't it? Look at it, look at it. Bro, it's all these small frogs around here. Anybody know what these small frogs are? It's kind of cute. I don't know if they're poisonous though.
没有，是吗？
不是，哦，这只大。 Oh my bad.
Come on now.
No, it just happened to swing your way, man. Not bad. 这只
water.
哇，天啊，今天抓好多只了。